This is a Godrej Duralock XL. Make sure it's on. Okay, so it has pins coming from 3 different directions. It can be raked. Let me make sure that I don't want to turn it too far. I don't want to drop any of the pins into the wrong spot and break the whole lock, so I'm not probably going to turn it as far as I would normally, but I just got this today, so I don't want to break it. This has 9 pins, 4 coming from 2 directions and then 3 on top. So I'm just feeling around, looking for anything that's binding. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm trying to keep my camera as still as possible, but I just got a new small rig camera arms. I'm trying it out, see if I like it more than the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know what's going on here, but 2. I'm not on something. I'm not hitting some up high enough. Let's drop a little. Okay. Something. 2, 3. Did I get it? I thought I had it. But there we go. So I kept on oversetting something and then having to drop and then picking it back up, and eventually it did open. It's not a really difficult lock. It's just kind of temperamental about what it does. But so that's the key. Now I'll just show you that it does go there. So that's the Godrej Duralock Ultra XL with my new slightly shaky setup.